Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to all the students of class 9. This is your computer online class. Now I have shared the some instruction. Don't raise hand during the teaching. Ask question at the end of the session only on the chat box. Use hand free if you are using mobile and headphone for computer use. Feed your ID and password properly with your name and class. Take care of the time for attending the class. Home task should be done in your fair copy of the subject. If there is any disconnectivity during the teaching, try to join teaching again with 5 to 10 minutes. Now I have shared the steps of screenshot. For taking screenshot of your computer screen, follow these steps. Identify and press the print screen button which is placed above the numeric keys. Open Paint software, then press Ctrl V, then press Ctrl S and save it in your computer. For taking screenshot through your smartphone, search the steps of the taking screenshot on the Google. Now we have start the unit number 7 Introduction to Database System. Our new topic is Database Management, DBMS. Now, what is the full abbreviation of DBMS? Now, DBMS is a Database Management System. Now, what is the definition of Database Management System? DBMS. A DBMS is a set of programs that allow user to create a database and also allow to access, modify, print, add and delete the data from the database. Now we have shared some software of the database management system. Number 1 is Oracle, number 2 is Access, number 3 is a SQL Server and number 4 is DB2. A database management system is a software designed to store, retrieve, define and manage data into a database. A database software is a primarily function as the interface between the end user and the database. A database management system is a software package with computer program that control the creation, maintenance and use of the data. A database in a integrated collection of the data, record, files and other objects. A database management system allows different user application programs to concurrently access to the same database. Database management system are applications that interact with user to other application and database itself to capture and analyze data. Database management system is a set of computer software providing interface between users and the database. They are so closely related the term database when used casually often refers to the both database management system and the data its manipulates. Now I have shared the example of database management system. First one is a Microsoft Access. It is a version of 2007 and 2010. SQL Server, FileMakers and Oracle. These all are the example of the database management system. Now, another example of the database management systems are, first one is MySQL. What is a SQL? SQL abbreviation or Structured Query Language. MySQL, the most popular open source SQL database management system, is developed, distributed and supported by Oracle Corporation. A database is a structured collection of data. It may be anything from the simple shopping list to a picture gallery on the vast amount of the information in a corporation network. To add, access and process data stored in a computer database, you need a database management system such as MySQL Server, since computers are very good at handling large amount of the data. Database management system play a central role in the computing as a standard along utilities or are part of the other applications. A relational database stores data in separate tables rather than the putting all the data in a one big storeroom. The database structure are the organized into the physical files optimized for speed. The logical model with objects such as a database, table, views, rows, and column offers a flexible programming environment. You set up the rules governing the relationship between different data fields such as the one-to-one, one-to-many, unique, required, or optional, and pointers between different tables. The database enforces these rules so that with a well-designed database, your application never seen inconsistent, duplicate, out of date, or missing date. The SQL part of the MySQL stand for Structure Query Language. SQL is the most common standardized language used for the Access database. Depending on your programming environment, you might enter SQL directly for example of generate report embedded SQL statement in code written in another language or use the language's specified API that heads to the SQL syntax. SQL is defined by the ANSI ISO SQL standard. The SQL standard has been involved since 1986 and several versions exist. In this manual, SQL 92 refer to the standard released in 1992. SQL 1999 refer to the standard released in the 1999 and SQL 2003 refer to the current version of the standard. We use the SQL standard to mean the current version of the SQL standard at a time. Now, advantages of the MySQL database. MySQL is released under an open source license, so you have nothing to pay to use it. MySQL is very powerful program in its own right. It handles a large subset of the functionality of these most expensive and powerful database packages. MySQL use an standard form of the well-known SQL data language. MySQL works on many operating systems and with many languages including PHP, PERL, C, C++, Java, etc. Now, second is Oracle. An Oracle database is a collection of data treated as a unit. This purpose of database is store and retrieve related information. A database server is the key of the solving the problem of the information management. In general, a server reliably manages a large amount of data in a multi-user environment so that many users can concurrently access the same data. All this accomplishment while delivering high performance. A database server also prevent unauthorized access and provide efficient solution for the failure recovery. Oracle database is the first database designed for the enterprise's grade computing, the most flexible and the cost-effective way to manage information and applications. Enterprises grade computing creates large pool of the industry standard modular storage and the servers. With these architectures, each new system can be replied provisions from the pool of components. There is no need for the big workload because capacity can be easily added on the relocated from the resources pool of the needed. The database has logical structures and physical structures because the physical or the logical structures are the separate. The physical storage of the data can be managed with affecting the access to the logical storage structure. Now, advantage of the use Oracle. Oracle has many benefits, and the function of that creates it well known and thereby creates it as the world biggest company application organization. Oracle come with new edition with new function applied in new edition while the function of the previously edition still being managed. Third is a Microsoft SQL Server. Microsoft SQL Server is a relational database management system that supported a wide variety of the instructions processing, business intelligence, and analytics application in corporation IT environment. Microsoft SQL Server is one of the three market leading database technologies along with Oracle database and the IBM abbreviation of International Business Machine DB2 database 2 like other RDBMS software. Microsoft SQL Server is built on top of the SQL and a standardized programming language that database administrator and other IT professionals use to manage database and queries the data they contain. SQL Server is tied to transaction SQL and implementation of the SQL from the Microsoft that had a set of proprietary programming extension to the standard language. Now, I have shared the advantages of the MS SQL Server. Installation is a streamlined security feature are better, enhanced performance, lower cost of the ownership. Fourth is a MongoDB. MongoDB is a document database built on the scale-out architecture that has become a popular with the developer of all kinds who are building scalable application using agile methodologies. MongoDB was built for the people who are building internet and the business application who need to the involve quickly and scale elegantly. If you are doing that, you should consider MongoDB. Companies are the development teams of the all size use MongoDB because the documents data model is powerful way to store and retrieve data that allows developers to the move fast. MongoDB horizontal scale out architecture can use support huge volumes of the both data and the traffic. Mongo database has a great user experience for developer who can install MongoDB and start writing code immediately. Now I have shared the advantages of MongoDB. Very flexible documents, very flexible queries, full text search 2.4, aggregation framework, and spatial indexes query, really good documentation. Next is a Visual Fox Pro. Visual Fox Pro. Visual Fox Pro is used for the developing data and centric desktop application with its own internal database. Application developed with VFP are also able to communicate with different database systems such as Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, and many others OLE, DB, accessible data sources. But generally, most VFP applications talk to SQL Server as well as to its own native database engines. As a dynamic object-oriented language, VFP supported multiple class libraries as well as class browser and is able to provide dynamic subclassing during runtime and data dictionary capabilities. Visual Fox Pro operate on the dynamic enhance and the instance classes directly from the classes library or base classes and modify these at runtime. Uses of Virtual Fox Pro include object-oriented REP application development, data processing as a COM client server, fast text processing, data mingling, creating and consuming XML, mm, creating and consuming web server, GUI front end, and the model type business role in the entire. Next heading is advantages of Visual Fox Pro. There are a lot of reasons to use Visual Fox Pro as an integrated development environment for the data-centric apps. Now, next heading is IBM DB2. IBM abbreviation of International Business Machine and DBA Database 2. IBM DB2 is a database product from IBM. It is a relational database management system, RDBMS. DB2 is designed to the store, analyze, and retrieve the data efficiently. DBA2 product of the extended with the supported of the object-oriented feature and the non-relational structure with XML. Individually, IBM had developed DB2 product for their specific platform since year 1992. 1990, it decided to develop the Universal Database UDB Database 2 server, which can run on any authorized operating system such as Linux, Unix, and Windows. For IBM DB2, the UDB current version in 10.5 with the feature of the BLU acceleration and its code name is the Kepler. All the version of DB2 tell today are the list below. Now, advantages of the IBM DB2. Database 2 is typically less expensive to the purchase and has a lower total cost of the ownership. Cross-platform capability, data migration tools for the MS SQL and Oracle, supported for the both Java and Microsoft.NET. Integration with other IBM software solution, data warehousing, business intelligence tools. Next is PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL is an advanced enterprise class open source relational database that support both SQL relational and JSON non-relational querying. It is a highly stable database management system backed by the more than 20 years of the community development, which has contributed to its high level of the resilience, integrity, and corrections. PostgreSQL is used as the primary data store on the data warehouse for the many webs, mobiles, geospatial, and analytic applications. The latest major version is PostgreSQL is 12. SQL has a rich history for the support of the advanced data type and support a level performance optimization that is common across commercial database counterpart like Oracle and the SQL Server. AWS supported PostgreSQL through a fully managed database service with Amazon Relational Database Service. Amazon with PostgreSQL capability is also built in using the PostgreSQL. A database is a collection of data or record. Database management systems are designed to manage database. A database management system is a software system that uses the standard method to store and organize data. The data can be added, updated, deleted, and traversed using various standard algorithm and queries. Types of database. Okay. Advantage of PostgreSQL. Flexible point of time for the switch. Minimal downtime, less organizational overhead, no impact on the production DB. Now we have started the types of the database management system. Hierarchical database, network database, relational database, object-oriented database, graphic database, model database, document database, and NoSQL database. First one, hierarchical database. This database management system model that is stored in a parent-children relationship node. In these database, besides actual data record, also contain information about their group of parent, child, and relationship. In this database model, data is organized into the three-like structure. The data is stored in the form of the collection of fields where each field contains only on the value. The records are linked to each other via link into the parent-children relationship. In this database model, each child record has only one parent. A parent can have multiple children. To retrieve our field data, we need to try through each three until the record of found. This database system structure was developed by IBM in the early 1960s. While this structure is simple, it is flexible due to the parent-child one-to-many relationship. Next heading is network database model. Network database management system use a network structure to create a relationship between entities. Network databases are mainly used on the large digital computers. Network databases are the hierarchical database, but unlike hierarchical database where one node can have a single parents only, a network node can have a relationship with multiple entities. A network database look more like a corpse interconnected network record. In network database, children are called member and parents are called occupiers. The difference between each child or member is that is can have more than one parent. The approval of the network data model similar to the database model. Data is and network database is organized in a many-to-many relationship. The network database structure was invented by the Charles Bachman. Some of the popular network databases are the Integrated Data Store, IDS, IDMS, Integrated Database Management System. Next is a relational database. In a relational database management system, the relationship between data in relational and data is stored in a tabular form of the column and rows. Each column of the table represent our attribute and each row in the table present a record. Each field in a table represent a data value. Structured query language SQL is the language used to query RDBMS, including inserting, updating, deleting, and searching record relational database work on the each table that has a key field that uniquely indicates each row. These keys field can be used to connect one table of the data another. Relational databases are the most popular and the widely used database. Some of the popular DDBMS are Oracle SQL Server, MySQL, SQLite, and IBM DB2. Next heading is object-oriented database. In this model, we have to discuss the functionality of the object-oriented program. It takes more than the storage of the programming language object. Object DBMS increased in the semantics of C++ and Java. It provides full feature database programming capabilities while containing native language compatibility. It adds the database functionality to object programming language. This approach is analytical of the application and database development into the content data model and the language environment. Application require less code, use more natural data modeling, and code bases are the easier to maintain. Object developer can write complete database application with a decent amount of the additional effect. The object-oriented database derivation is the integrity of the object-oriented program language system and the consistent system. The power of the object-oriented database come from the cyclical treatment of the both consistent data as a found in the database and transist data as a found in the executing program. Object-oriented database use small recyclable is separated from software called object. The objects themselves are the stored in the object-oriented database. Each object contains two elements. First is a pieces of data, sound, video, text, or graphic, etc. And second, instructions or software program called the method for what to do with the data. Object-oriented database management system were created in the early 1980s. Some OODB-MS were designed to work with OOP language such as Delphi, Ruby, C++, Java. Some popular MVS are Tondo, Object Store, Base, etc. Now, fifth is a graphic database. Graphic database are the NoSQL database and used to graphic structure of the semantic queries. The database is stored in the form of nodes, adds, and the properties in graphic database. A nodes represent an entity or instance such as the customer, person, or car. A node is equivalent to the record in the relational database system. Next is the ER model database. An ER model is a typically implemented as a database. In a simple relational database implementation, each row of the table represents one instance of the any entity type, and each field in a table represents an attribute type. In a relational database, a relationship between entities in the implement by the storing the primary key of the one entity as a pointer or the foreign keys. in the table of the another entity. Next is the document database. Document database are also NoSQL database that store data in the form of the document. Each document represents the data, its relationship between other data element and the attribute of the data. Document database store data in a key value form. Next is the NoSQL database. NoSQL database are databases that do not use SQL as their primary data access language. Graph database, network database, object database, and documents database are the common NoSQL database. This answer the question, what is the NoSQL database? NoSQL database does not have a predefined schema, which make NoSQL database a perfect candidate for the rapidly changing development environment. NoSQL allow developer to make change on the fly without affecting application. NoSQL database can be categorized into the following 5 major categories: column, documents, graphs, keys, value, and the object database. Next is we have shared the application of database. First one is the railway reservation. The railway reservation system facilitate the passenger to inquiry about the train available on the basis of the source and the booking and the and collections of the ticket, inquiry about the status of the books, tickets, etc. The aim of the case study in the 2-day design and develop a database maintaining the record of the different trains, train status and the passengers. Second is the library management system. In addition to the library database, if self as a set of program, it is a necessary of facilitate adding new data as well as modifying and retrieving existing data within a library database. This set of the program is referred to as the library database management system. Third is a banking database management system for storing a customer info, tracking day-to-day credit and debit transaction, generating bank statement, etc. All this work has been done with the help of the database management system. The system allows the customer to create an account, deposit, withdraw the money from his account, as well as view report from all the account of the present. Customers can access to the bank website to view their account detail and perform the transaction on their account according to their requirement. Next is the education sector. When a database held and detail about the people, it is likely to include their first name, surname, and their date of birth. In addition to this, specialist information is stored depending on the database. Intended school use the database to store detail about their pupils. Next is the credit card transaction data. Credit card transaction data is used to customer behavior and the relator and the analysis. Retailers and the business use the credit card transaction data set for the payment transaction analyze. Social media sites. The most common database designed for the social networking site include quickly reference function, features for the addition and the removal of the social media sites, and the channel of your own database and their ability to filter site based on the multiple feature. Almost 3 billion people use social networking site. Next is a telephone communication. Telephone communication management network and telephone communication information networking architectures are the object-oriented and ideal database systems supported various telecommunication applications should be failed, tolerant, distributed, real-time object-oriented database system. Number 8 is finance. For store information about stock sales and the purchases of the financial instrument like stock and the pound. Next is the human resources management. HR database are the used by the HR professional or the person responsible for the HR in a smaller business to store personal information relating to their employees. There are often many areas to an HR database as there is wealth of the tasks that they can help with, such as the recording, tracing data, or managing sources. Last heading is DBMS manufacturing. Database is a manufacturing help manage the code components and the inventories of the specific accessible if store the large amount of the information that is needed to provide the necessary information for efficiency, automation, and quick designing making in the manufacturing process. Okay, now I have shared the home task. Write the full name of the database management system. What is the database management system? Write the definition of database management system with example. Write the types of database management system and explain its types. Thank you and Allah Hafiz, student.